Gaining momentum. Unlock the power of progress. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, gaining momentum. Whether you're a language learner, a curious listener, or someone looking to enhance your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this dynamic expression and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Gaining momentum is a phrase borrowed from the world of physics, but it's widely used in everyday English to describe a situation, person, or thing that is becoming more powerful, effective, or popular over time. Imagine pushing a boulder up a hill. Initially, it's tough to move, but as it starts rolling down the other side, it picks up speed effortlessly. That acceleration and increase in speed? That's momentum. So, when we say something is gaining momentum, we mean it's picking up speed or strength, metaphorically speaking, becoming more significant or impactful as time goes on. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to weave gaining momentum into your conversations or writing. 1. In business, our new product line is gaining momentum in the market, with sales doubling every month. 2. In social movements, the campaign for cleaner oceans is gaining momentum, with more volunteers joining every day. 3. In personal achievements, after months of practice, I feel like my piano skills are finally gaining momentum. This phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts, highlighting progress, growth, or an increase in intensity or support. Understanding and using the phrase, gaining momentum, is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about accurately capturing and conveying the essence of progress and dynamism. Whether discussing a new trend, a personal journey, or a collective effort, this phrase helps to emphasize the building strength or speed of an endeavor, making your communication more vivid and impactful. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, gaining momentum. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this powerful expression and inspired you to start using it in your own conversations and writings. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas clearly and effectively, and phrases like these are fantastic tools for doing just that. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you gain momentum in your English language learning journey.